step back with your left, and you're gonna kind of like, as you're doing this move, so face back, just that side running man type thing. So you're gonna be stepping back with the left foot, and then as soon as you, because you're already gonna like step back at an angle, as soon as you bring this other foot around, you're like putting this right next to your other foot, and you're just like dropping down and using that momentum to get you back up. So you step left, and then as soon as you put this right one with it, you hop to a squat and kind of like rotate yourself up and like use your arms to get you going. Step left, feet right next to each other, and hop up. So when you step that back, you're kind of like, as soon as you step your right foot to your left foot's already at like this angle behind you. You're gonna like I said, use this momentum from this right side to like have your face like all the way back when you step, and then you're gonna stand up right afterwards and try to like use your momentum to get you going up. And I keep my arms together to like help me spin. So yeah, I hope that helps.